Good morning children. We are continuing pair of linear equation in two variables only. Already we have studied one method of algebraic method of solving the pair of linear equation, that is substitution method. Today's class we are going to learn about the elimination method, that is the second method. So algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation, the elimination method. Solve x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4 by elimination method. Last time what is the word we have used? Substitution method. This time we are going to learn about the elimination method. So that is the second method. So I'll write the equations. X plus y equal to 5, equation number 1. 2x minus 3y equal to 4, equation number 2. Now we have to do the first step, that any one of the coefficients, either x or y, we have to make it equal. See, what is the coefficient of x? Here 1. What is the coefficient of y? Here 1. But here 2 and 3. Both are not equal. So what is the first step for making coefficient of either x or y? Both the equations we have to multiply something. So we can decide either x or y. So I am going to decide it is x only. So here 2 is so what I should do means equation 1 should be multiplied with the 2. So what will happen to equation 1? It is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. That is a new equation, equation number 3. So we got equation number 3. So one we have multiplying, what we have done? Multiplying equation 1 by 2. We got 2x plus 2y equal to 10 only. Now just below this I'll write the second equation, that is 2x minus 3y equal to 4 only. Now you compare, this is our second equation, right? Now you compare the coefficient of x. It is 2 here, it is 2 here, that is plus only. So how we can cancel this one? If we add, it will be 4x only. So we should do the subtraction. 2 minus 2, it will get cancelled. So we should do subtraction sign here, and here change your sign. First it was plus. What is the sign now? Minus. Minus became plus. Here it was plus only, now it is minus. So 2x and 2x will get cancelled. 2y plus 3y now, that is 5y. 10 minus 4, it is equal to 6. So what is the value for y? Y equal to 6 by 5. It's not over. We have got only y value. What is the value we should get? Now we should get the another variable x value. So what we should write? Put y equal to 6 by 5 in any one of the equation, which is a symbol. The first equation is symbol. So I'll write equation 1 only. So instead of y, it is 6 by 5. So implies x plus 6 by 5 equal to 5. Again, x equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. LCM, it is 5 only, and here 5. 25 minus 6, it is equal to 19 minus 5. So what is the x value we got? This implies x equal to 19 by 5. So y got 6 by 5 and x is got 19 by 5. So what are the equations we are having? X plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So just to check the coefficient, which is easier to make equal, that we can decide. So I chosen here which one? I have chosen x only. So here x coefficient is 2, so I should multiply with the 2. So the new equation is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. All the terms I have multiplied with the 2. Now I just kept below the second equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. I compared the coefficients, it is both plus only, so I have to do minus. So after solving this, y equal to 6 by 5 I got. Then put y equal to 6 by 5, we will get x equal to 9 by 5. So we got the answers. Therefore, x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. Next question, 2x minus y equal to 5 and 3x minus 5y equal to 4. One more time, we have to do the same pattern only, you will understand more. So what is the first step I have to take? I'll make the equations are 1 and 2 respectively. So I'll write here 2x minus y equal to 5, that is equation number 1, and 3x minus 5y equal to 4, that is equation number 2. I just want to eliminate only, just to compare that. Here also I can make either x and y only. So here you see x coefficient is 2, x coefficient is 3, and y coefficient is minus 1, here minus 5. If we multiply this equation with 5, so what is the changes? We can make it a 5 only, right? So I'll just multiply with the 5 here, right? So what is the equation? 2 into 5, 10x minus 5y equal to 25. Now the equation 3. How we got a multiplied equation 1 by 5. Right. This implies 10x minus 5y equal to 25. Now just below I have to write which equation? 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Now you are having the same sign only, right? This is equation 2 only. Same sign means if we add minus 10 we will get, but our purpose is eliminate y only. So we are doing the subtraction. What is the rule? Change of sign. So first it was plus, it is minus now. Again minus became plus, plus became minus. So 10 minus 3x, it is equal to 7x. This will get cancelled, and 25 minus 4, it is equal to 21. So what is x now? This implies x equal to 21 by 7, which is equal to 3. Right? Now put x equal to 3 in 1 or 2 I can put. Last time I have put in 1 only, so let me put in 2 only. This time we have 3 into 3 minus 5y equal to 4 implies 9 minus 4 equal to 5y implies 5 equal to 5y implies y equal to 5 by 5 equal to 1. So what are the values we got? X equal to 3 and y equal to 1 only. I'll write here once again, x equal to 3, y equal to 1. Solve pair of linear equation by elimination method. 8x plus 5y equal to 9 and 3x minus 2y equal to 4. So what is the solution? Starts, we have to get the equation only. So I'll write 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Next 3x minus 2y equal to 4. So this is our equation number 1, equation number 2. Now you see coefficient of x is 8, coefficient of x is 3. Here coefficient of y is 5, coefficient of y is minus 2. So again we have to think about which we want to make it equal. So let me take that equation 1, that is 8x plus 5y equal to 9 is multiplied with 2, and here 3x minus 2y equal to 4, that is equation number 2, is multiplied with 5. Why I have chosen this one? See here 5 is there, 5 into 2 it is 10, and here 2 is there, 2 into 5 10. So the coefficient of y will be equal. So maybe signs may be different, either plus or minus we will get, that is the different thing, don't worry about that. We are just making the coefficient equal only. So here 5 and 2 are there, so 5 I am multiplying with the 2, I will get to 10, again 2 we are multiplying with the 5, so we will get to 10. So let us see now, this will be, which gives us 16x plus 10y equal to 18. Now this see 15x minus 10y equal to 20. Now you see if you consider these two equations, what is the thing here? X is 16 and 15 only, but y coefficient is one is plus, another one is minus with the 10. So just if we add this one, what will happen? It will get cancelled, right? Because it is the opposite sign. Last time we have got the same sign, so we have done the subtraction. Now we are having the opposite sign, so what we should do means plus, right? So when we are doing this one, 16 plus 15, what is the answer? 31x, but here cancelled, so it is equal to 38. So x equal to 38 by 31, right? X equal to 38 by 31. Now what is the next step? We must get the value for y only. So put x equal to 38 by 31 in any one of the equations. So equation 1 I am choosing, implies 8 into 38 by 31 plus 5y equal to 9, right? So 8 into 38 by 31, nothing will get cancelled, so we have to go for the multiplication. So 8 into 38, it is 8 8 64, balance 6, 24 plus 6, 304 by 31 minus 9 equal to minus 5y, right? So what is the next step? Again take the LCM. 304 minus 9 into 31, right? 279 by 31 only equal to minus 5y. So what is the difference here? 304 and 279, it is 25 by 31 equal to minus 5y. Now what we should do for calculate? Y only. So implies 25 by 31 into minus 5 equal to y only. So what is y now? We can cancel this 5 here. So minus 5 by 31. So we got the value as x equal to 38 by 31 and y equal to minus 5 by 31. So I'll write once again, x equal to 38 by 31 and y equal to minus 5 by 31. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 8 and the difference between the number that formed by reversing the digit is 18. Find the number. So sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 8 only. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 8 only. Now I already told this type of the questions we should keep some terms, some sentence in the top only. So that I will write first. So let us decide what is the number. So xy, two-digit number is I am taking as xy only. Let the digit at the unit place is y. Y and tens place is x. Therefore, the number is, see, tens place, how will write here? xy. So x is in tens place and it is in ones place, right? So the number is 10x plus y. Now what is the next step? After reversing the digit, what is the number? So xy became like this, y became x, so number is yx now. So then after reversing the digit, the number is 10y plus x. This part you should learn thoroughly. So any digit question comes, you should write this first, which is the unity digit and which is the tens digit. Now sum of digits of a two-digit number. Sum of digits of a two-digit number is 8. Which are the digits? X and y. So according to the question, we can write x plus y equal to 8. That is our first equation. So we are going to learn about it, elimination method only we are continuing. So I'm doing based on that only. Also, according to the question, what we can write, the difference between the number that formed by reversing the digit, the number and that formed by the reversing the digit is 18. The once again, difference between the number and that formed by the reversing the digit is 18 only. So what is the number for us? 10x plus y. And what is the number after reversing the digit? 10y plus x equal to 18. The difference between the number and reversing the digit is equal to 18. So expand the bracket now. 10x plus y minus 10y minus x equal to 18. 10x minus x, it is 9x. Y minus 10y, it is 9y equal to 18. So x minus y equal to 2. How I got to 2? I cancelled with the 9. Throughout the equation I cancelled with the 9 only. Now I got 1 and 2 equations because we are going for elimination only. I'll take down once again. X plus y equal to 8 and x minus y equal to 2. See, both the coefficients are 1 only. Here also 1, here also 1. But here what happened? It is opposite sign, plus 1 and minus 1. So if I add these equations, 1x plus 1x, it is 2x only. So plus 1y and minus 1y, it will get cancelled. Again, no change of sign, 8 plus 2, 10 only. This implies x equal to 5. Okay, x equal to 5 only. In 1, then we can calculate what is the value for y. So 5 plus y equal to 8, therefore y equal to 3. So the number is 10x plus y, that is 10 into 5 plus 3, that is equal to 53. Solve and verify. 2x plus 3y equal to 7, 4x plus 3y equal to 11 only. So again we are doing by the elimination method only. So I'll take it as the first equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 7. That is our first equation. And what is the second equation? 4x plus 3y equal to 11. Second equation. I can make easily by multiplying with the 2. The coefficient of x is equal. So that is already one method. Already it is given that 3y and 3y are the same only, right? So what we should do here means, the first equation I'll bring it here. So 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Again 4x plus 3y equal to 11. So in the equation itself it is given that the coefficient of y are same only. So plus 3 and plus 3. So same sign. What we should do? We should do minus, subtraction. So I'll put here plus, both are plus only. And again change your sign. 2x minus 4x, it is minus 2x. Here minus, so it will get cancelled. Now 7 plus 11 will become minus 11. So again minus 4 only. So what is the value for x? X equal to minus 4 by minus 2, which is equal to 2. Now put x equal to 2 in any one of the equations. So let me take in one only. So what is the answer now? X equal to 2 we have to put. What is the first equation? 2x plus 3y equal to 7. So implies 2 into 2 plus 3y equal to 7. So implies 4 plus 3y equal to 7. So again 3y equal to 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. That means y equal to 1. So we have solved for x and y. What are the values we got here? X equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Now verification step is told. So that is whether they are the solutions of the given equation. So I'll write a verification. Put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in first equation. So implies left side equal to 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to 4 plus 3 equal to 7 equal to RHS. Similarly, x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in second equation. So what is the value we got? X equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Now 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1, that is our LHS, right? Now 8 plus 3, which is equal to 11, that is equal to RHS. So both the question, these solutions are correct. So verified we have write here, but when it is asked for verification only we should do, otherwise there is no need of doing this one. So with this today's video I am winding up. Thanks.